Hello everyone, it's Andy, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very simple origami boat. So to start off, we're going to take our square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally in half both ways. After that, we're going to grab the bottom and the top corner and fold them towards the center. And now we're gonna unfold and fold them to the midway point where the creases cross. And then we're gonna redo the crease that we've made previously. Alright, so now we're gonna flip the model over, turn it, and pretty much repeat the same step with the two other corners. And it should look like that. So now we're gonna fold the bottom and the top edge towards the center line. Just like that. And then you're gonna fold the four corners towards the center in the middle, like that. The next step is going to be pretty much the same thing. We're gonna grab the four sides and bring them towards the center line. And at this point, the paper will get a little bit thick, so just make sure you're making the creases as flat as possible. And you're gonna repeat the same step on the four other sides. And as you're doing those creases, as you can see, there's some overlap going on. So we're almost done here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the top and the bottom and fold them towards the center one last time, like that. And flatten everything. So now you're gonna take your model and open it up from the middle, just lifting the paper like that. And then you're gonna hold the paper open and flip it and push with your thumbs, sort of turning it from the inside out on one side and on the other side as well. So I'm holding my index fingers on the other side while pushing with my thumbs at the same time. And then I'm just making sure everything is flat and everything is even. And yeah, it should look something like that on the other side. And I'm just doing final adjustments. And yeah, this is pretty much your paper origami boat complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time.